Hi, this is Tracy at TierraCast with a quick how-to video to show you how to crimp our barrel beads. These are great beads. They work with all kinds of large stringing materials, and it's great to be able to crimp them when you want to hold something securely in place, like at the ends of this bracelet, or you just want the bead to stay in place on your design. Crimping can be done a couple of different ways. You can use a hammer and bench block, or flat nose pliers, either regular ones or nylon jawed. To crimp using a hammer and block, just position the bead where you want it and hammer lightly until it's secure. To use flat nose pliers, just squeeze until secure, changing the position of the pliers as necessary. The deco barrel beads are a slightly heavier bead, but they can still be crimped too. In these bracelets, we use the hammer and block technique to crimp the beads here just lightly. They're crimped enough to hold the cords in place, but still allow movement so that the cords are adjustable. In some cases, like these earrings, I wanted to be sure of a really secure hold, so I reinforced it by adding a little bit of glue inside the bead before I crimped it. These are great little components. Try this technique out, and thanks for watching this video.